Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how to fix the error illegal offset type error in Laravel. Actually I was working on a project and I faced this error, so I thought I should make the video on this error, how you can fix the error. It's very simple error and I will show you how you can fix it. So first of all I will show you how or when this error will rise. So I was working on this project. So suppose I am on the view all projects. Okay, so suppose I click on download button. So when I click on download button, it will redirect me to some another view via controller and the error will come here. So when I click on download, so you can see an error illegal offset type. Okay, so when I click on download button, I am facing this error. So basically this is my download button. So when I click on this button, it will go to the this route view project and with some project ID. Okay, so if I go to my route file, I can show you here, this is the route view project and it will go to the by project method. Okay, so if I go to project controller and if I go to the by project method, here you can say it is returning me to the another view. Okay, view project with some data. Okay, with some data, and this is the cause of the error. So here you can say when I redirect, it redirect me to the view project view. Here you can also see it is redirecting me to the view project with some project ID. Now I am facing this error. So this is the cause of the error with. Basically I am redirecting to some another view with some data. Okay, with some data that I am fetching from the database. So via with method I am sending some data via with function or with method. So this is the cause of the error. Basically with function takes two argument. With function or with method takes two argument. First one is key and second one is value. If I hover mouse on with, so it is showing me the syntax of the with method. With function takes two argument, one is key and second one is value. If I pass only one argument in with function, so by default second parameter will be null. So second parameter will be null. So that means it is the key and value. I am not passing value, means I am not passing second parameter. So second value will be null. So project will be key and its value will be null because I am not passing second parameter. I am just passing one parameter, but it takes two parameter. So it is showing me the error because I am passing only key, and in view project view I am trying to fetching the data from the key, but I have not passed any value to this. So it is the cause of the error. It is showing illegal offset type, means I am passing the data as a key but I have not passed any value to it, and I am trying to fetch the value from the project key that I am passing. So the solution of this project is you can pass the data which is project data, but you have to pass two parameters. First one will be key and second one be value. So you have to pass one parameter as a key. Let's say I will give it any name. Let's say I will give simply project, and it is a variable, so it will be on single quotes. So project and it will be value. Now I am passing two parameter to the with function. First one will be key and second one will be value. So now this is a key and this will be value. So now I can fetch the data from the data like this, project p title something. So whatever it is, I can fetch the data. So the problem is in with function, basically you have to pass two parameter like this. Okay, If you pass single parameter, it will throw an error. Okay, and if you do like this, first one is variable, means a key, and second one will be value. Its value means the data, actual data that I am passing. So now if I run it again, you will see the error has gone. If I click on download, it will go to the view project, and it will go to the view project view with the project ID, and it's running perfectly. The error has gone. So this is the cause of the error. The summary is you have to pass two parameter in with function. First one will be key, and second one will be view. If you are passing a single parameter, so that it will throw an error, because the second parameter, that is the value, will be null by default if you pass only one parameter. So you have to pass two parameter. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you if you are facing this error, you have fixed it, and this video is helpful for you. So if this video is helpful for you and you have also fixed this error, so do like the video and share the channel for more videos like this. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.